Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm gonna do this haul for y'all real quick. Hopefully it'll be quick. I got a lot of stuff from Hobby Lobby on clearance. Like, it was wild, the things I got at Hobby Lobby. But just so you know, if you're a sewer right now, their fabric, all fabric, is 40% off. Okay, so go in and snag you some while it's on sale. And but I just want to show you some things that I got. And let me just show you this, because their prices aren't always what it is, and normally they have signs, but their bias tape, I got 2 packs. I'm not a bias tape person. I'm going to try to learn to use this bias tape, okay? But this says $2.49, and this is Hobby Lobby. This is $2.49, and it's 99 cents. And this one is $1.99, and it was 99 cents as well. And then when you get to their threads are not what they are priced. I got 1 cotton thread for sewing microwave bowl cozies. You have to have cotton thread, so I got it there. I'm not a fan of it because it fuzzes. If you're a sewer, you'll know what I mean. It fuzzes easy. And so does this. But this is just regular all-purpose thread. Their zippers have a price on them. Okay, these are just the 7-inch zippers, and they say $1.49. They're actually 99 cents. Okay, they're 99 cents. They're very comparable to the ones at Walmart, which are $1. So either place you want to get them, it's the same. So I got me some 7-inch zippers. Of course, I had to get more of these fat quarters. This is the one I use in my sewing room all the time. I got cows, and I got little piggies. Aren't those cute? I hope you can see. I don't have a light on except my overhead light in here right now. So those little piggies, and them fat quarters are always $1.49. And as far as I know, they never ever go on sale. I picked up my 505 spray there. This is the spray that I love so much in this sewing room. And not everything is sewing stuff, so I got my craft supplies in here. But this is $10.99 at Hobby Lobby. And as far as I know, it doesn't ever go on sale either. I picked up some small D-rings for my little wallets. And they're $1.99. Now, I may not tell you the price on everything because I don't know it, okay? And I picked up some sewing buttons. Do you see those? Those are so cute. Those are, they say $3.99. They're $1.99. Little wooden buttons. Okay, now their wood, the his and hers, is on sale. So this is $4.99, and I got it for, I think, 40% off, 40 or 50% off. So I picked up one of these. I usually grab them. I needed some of the smaller ones, and this had a lot of smaller ones in it, so I grabbed it. And then their spring shop, ain't that cute? I mean, I don't like bugs, but ladybugs, is $6.99, and it was 40 or 50% off. Okay, let me see what else I got. Okay, the rest of this is clearance. Hobby Lobby clearance is awesome right now. I got these 2 vinyls to make chapstick cozies, chapstick holders. That makes more sense. And then this is just, I don't know. I got these butterflies. They're cute. I hope y'all can see this because I really don't want to turn my light on because my face would be white as I don't know what. These little blue birds. They are so adorable. They were getting rid of all this stuff, like cheap stuff. These yellow ones, they're gorgeous. Look at those. So bright and so pretty. And I don't know what I'm going to do with these. My sister loves butterflies, so I may make something for her. I just thought they were so pretty. They are so pretty. And then I got an abundance of eggs. They had like a bazillion packs of these, and they were only 57 cents, reduced to 57 cents. So I got me some little eggs. Like I said, I had a bunch of packs of those. And from Hobby Lobby, I got this over and over stencil. I thought it was cute. They had these all clearanced out. They were $2.49 from $4.99. I think it says, yep, they're self-stick. So I grabbed those. And then the last thing I got, let me see. Yep, the last thing I got at Hobby Lobby, I have to look all around. I got stuff everywhere. Were these. These are felt. Look at those roses. Ain't they beautiful? And these were 49 cents. So I picked up 3 of them. I don't even know what I'm going to do with them, but they were 49 cents. And I loved, loved, loved the print. Okay? So now I'm going to just show you the Walmart haul. I got some more zippers at Walmart. I don't know why. I just said, well, I might need more zippers. So I grabbed more zippers. And then I got my cotton thread at Walmart. They have several colors in this. And it's $5 and something. But there is, oh, there it is. It's Coats & Clark. It's 100% cotton for machine quilting. It's 1,200 yards. Y'all, I can't see. It took me a minute. 1,200 yards, and I picked up 3 of these. The only thing with these is, look, they come unraveled. So I'm going to have to unravel this and fix it back because they do come unraveled. And I'm going to have to put a hair tie around these to hold it because they don't have anything to hold it. But anyways, I got those at Walmart. Oh, I picked up these fat quarters. I love these ramen noodle fat quarters. They are so cute. I got one of those. It's the only one they had left. And then I picked up some more of these because I use these quite often. You know, I got to get close to the camera. So I got those. And then I picked up these. These are Hello Hobby. Just big buttons. Assorted buttons, I guess I should say. And then I got these flower buttons. Oh, I'm sorry. And these were like $5, I think. I'm not sure what the Hello Hobby was, but I think these were close to $5. Oh, and I picked up this. They were clearancing out a lot of my Waverly paints. I hope they're not getting Hello Hobby. But a lot of the big ones. They're keeping the small ones, but a lot of the big ones they're getting rid of. So I picked up this in plaster. So now Dollar General, I went in there for some medicine for my husband, and I picked up these feathers. So I have an idea I'm going to do with these feathers I seen on Pinterest. So I picked up, I didn't even know Dollar General had feathers. And then I picked up a wheelbarrow for $1. And then these 2 birds. These were $1 each. That's cheaper than Dollar Tree, and they're so beautiful. I wish that I would have got a few more cardinals because I can use those in winter DIYs, like for real. So I may go back and get some more, but that's what I got at Dollar General. Now this is going to be in no particular order. It's all random. Okay, so I picked up some of their grill. What are these things? Let me read this thing. Grill tray. I picked up a couple packs of their grill trays because this is very good to use in farmhouse DIY. So I picked up a couple of those. I finally found these. I've been looking for these forever. It's a 3-piece of the little envelopes. Okay, these are nice plastic envelopes. You can store patterns in here. You can store 8 by 11, you know, just normal cardstock in here, or specialty papers or whatever. I absolutely love these envelopes, and I have not seen these in a while, so I picked those up. They had, oh, that's from Hobby Lobby. I'll just throw that in. A his and hers lace fan. It was on clearance. I just thought it would be pretty. Let me see if it is. Look how pretty for a DIY. Oh, ain't that beautiful. Or you could just take the lace off and use the lace. It was only 99 cents. So I was like, yeah, I'll get it. I got an idea maybe. So, in the Crafter Square, I think, yeah, Crafter Square, I found some of the colored keychains, but I also ran into the black ones. So I picked up a couple of these. These are nice to put vinyl on. So So you can just customize them with vinyl. And I figured black would be better than any of them. And then I found this. I was looking for this. I seen someone haul it. It's a teacher sign, and it said this classroom runs on, and it says love and laughter. And then when you flip it over, this is the one she needs. A caffeinated teacher. She's got to have caffeine to survive, and I thought that was cute and funny, so I got that for a friend. And then in Crafter Square, I found these little what is this? Stamps. These clear stamps, and it's got all kinds of sayings. It says create your own magic. I probably won't do nothing with that. Love makes a home. You are so loved. Be authentically you. I love that one. Dream hard, work harder. Do your best. You got this. Spread the love. Live, laugh, love. Make every minute count. Good vibes. Never give up hope. If I could read, it would help y'all. Well done. Always follow your heart and be kind. That's what's all in that one, in case you couldn't see. Let me put that in here. These are just beautiful. If they didn't have glitter, they'd be prettier, but these pop dot roses, raised pop up. I'll get it in a minute. Pop up roses. Those are just beautiful. And then these are new. I found in the Dollar Tree. They say coin envelopes. These look like the things you put your water bill in and stick in the slot. Just saying. But there's nothing on them. So I got those. That size. They are 3x5 by 6x5. And then they have 3.2 by 4.5 inches. So these are 3.5 by 6.5. Y'all having a reading problem. And then these teeny tiny ones, these would be cute to decorate with gift cards in them. You can personalize these and decorate them the way you want to. And then the little ones are 2.24 by 3.5 inches. So they're little bitty. And I thought this was cool. This is for T-Rex tape. This thing is dangerous, actually. There is a razor blade in there, but it cuts tape so nice. And what it does is it has a rubber band or a rubber piece that goes around under your tape, so it sits right on top of your tape. So when you pull your tape, you just push this and it cuts, and it's really neat. These are only in for a period of time, I'm sure. Okay? So, sometimes they get stuff, and when you get it, you get it. If you don't, it's gone. So I picked up one of those. I picked up 2 of these Essentials fridge soda cans, but let me show y'all something. These are so flimsy now. The ones I did have were not like this. They'll work for what I need them for, because they have this little pull-out thing, but they are making them a little more flimsy. So I don't know about that, but whatever. It'll still work. I got one of these bushes, and y'all, this is hilarious. I only got one. I needed some more of these because I use these a lot in DIYs. This is the only one that I could reach. Okay? The only one I could reach, and there was no one around to help me. So I just grabbed the one, and there was others that I was really interested in. So maybe the next time I go, I can take my husband with me or something, and he'll go in with me, and I can get those out of there. But anyway, I just thought that was funny. And I picked up one of these cute little buckets. Y'all can't see. Let me see about my light. I think that does help tremendously. Now you can see the bucket, actually. I should have did that a long time ago, y'all. I apologize. And I'm not going to redo this video because I've got it everywhere on this table. So, but you see the rings in my glasses. That's why I didn't want to do it. But it is what it is. I picked up these 2 fabrics with my daughter. These are so pretty. The prints are gorgeous. And they're more of a canvas type cotton fabric. There's that one. And then this print. These were the only 2 they had left. People really rummaged through the fabric there at the Dollar Tree. It was everywhere. So I picked up those two. Let me show you these. I was looking for these for a long time. And these are the solar stakes that go in, and you can point them where you need them to go. And I'm not DIYing these. I actually needed these for my porch. So I was able to find those. So I picked up 2 of those. I picked up 2 Sharpies in the colors I don't have. It's kind of a coral peachy and a minty green like color. So I picked those up. Oh, let me show you my Flare Mate. Now they only had these in purple and black, and I didn't want a black one. So I got 2 purple ones because, you know, I love purple. Purple and mint green is my thing. So I got 2 of those. And then in a Crafter Square, I picked up some mushrooms. Now these, I'm not going to use for mushrooms or anything. I got another DIY idea for those. But some of the stems are different than these. These are short and fat. Some of them were kind of long and flared out, and I don't know. But anyway, I ended up with those. I got those. And then I'm going to show you the thing I got that most intrigued me last. Okay, I'm going to show you last. I got these. They're little makeup things, but they're nail art tools. I'm not using them for nail art. Let me see something. Okay, so these tips is, you know, I figured they were silicone. I didn't know if they were hard plastic, but glue won't stick to these. And this will kind of be like the tool that I have in my craft room in there that I push glue down with. So I thought these would be good to push down glue, and they'll also be good squeegees for those, like if you're putting paint in here to do little details, to have your tractor wheels a different color. Look at me like I'm really painting this thing. What? My brain works weird, y'all. So anyway, it'd be good for doing things like that for smaller details. So that's why I picked them up. And then, okay, this oven mitt. This is a good quality oven mitt. This is like some you'd buy in a high-end store. I just hope it's thick enough, because you know how Dollar Tree, their pot holders are real thin. But I picked up 2 of these. I picked up 2 of these. I can't even do that on sync with me. But anyway, I'll stop. I got 2 of those. I seen these little cats. I know somebody that loves cats, so I'm gonna make a couple little wreaths and put those in there because I just thought they were too cute. Jet flame lighter, and I thought, man, that's neat. I don't smoke or nothing, y'all, but I burn ribbon, I burn paper. I'm not an arsonist either. I'm just not. But when you're crafting, you know, you burn stuff, okay, just to singe it and seal it. And even in here, I singe my ropes when I'm doing rope bowls and stuff like that. So that's why I picked this lighter up. Y'all, I don't know if I can use this lighter. This ain't no lighter. I should have read it before I got it. I should have, what'd it say? I don't know. Wind resistant lighter. I thought that's good because I'm either singing when I'm crafting or I'm fixing to have a fan blowing, but I don't know if I can use this. This is not a lighter. That is a torch. It's fun to click it, but that's a torch. That ain't no lighter. I might be scared of it. I don't know. But anyway, just want to show y'all that. Now, let me look. I saved the best for last. Y'all, I hit the jackpot here for rope bowls. Look at this. I wanted this so bad. It's pink and mint. I can so use those in my craft room. They're gorgeous. And then I got black and white, which y'all know that's going to look like farmhouse buffalo check, I hope, when I do these bows. I'm so bowls. I said bows. So that's the end of my haul. I hope y'all liked it. They have a ton of new stuff at the Dollar Tree. I didn't get it all because I don't need it. Okay, I'm not gonna craft with it, and I don't need it. They got a lot of wood stuff. They just got a lot of stuff. Okay, so anyway, I just showed you what I got. But until next time, remember, you are a blessing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.